Rostock. Autumn 1989. It is the time to speak out now. It is the time to stand up now. In the veil of tears, of empty phrases, to peacefully see a future.
It is the time.
It is time to end the masquerade. No more deception, no more lies.
Away with the privileges of the fat cats.
Say what you think.
Vomit freely.
It is the time.
It is the time to respect others.
And high time for renewal.
It is the time to think freely now,
without fear of spies. And time for honesty.
the time for honesty.
The time to slaughter a golden calf and not to bleed. Be prepared. It is the time.
It is the time.
It is the time.
It is the time.
It is the time. Rostock. Autumn 1980.